When it comes to surveying instruments and accessories, finding reliable dealers in Gurgaon can be a challenge. However, there are several reputable dealers in the city that offer a wide range of survey instruments and accessories to suit the needs of professionals in the field. These dealers understand the importance of having high-quality and accurate instruments for surveying purposes, and they strive to provide their customers with the best products available. One such dealer is SCON Design, which is known for its expertise in providing survey instruments and accessories in Gurgaon. With years of experience in the industry, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering top-notch products and excellent customer service. They have a wide variety of survey instruments and accessories available, including DGP systems, total stations, levels, tripods, and much more. Whether you are a professional surveyor or a beginner in the field, SCON Design can cater to all your needs. In addition to SCON Design, there are also other dealers in Gurgaon that specialize in survey instrument accessories. These dealers offer a range of accessories that are essential for any surveying project. From surveying rods and prisms to data collectors and software, these dealers have everything you need to complete your surveying tasks efficiently and accurately. They understand the importance of having reliable accessories that complement your survey instruments, and they ensure that their products meet the highest standards of quality. In conclusion, finding reliable survey instrument accessory dealers in Gurgaon can be a challenge, but with the right research and exploration of neighboring cities like Delhi, you can find reputable dealers that offer high-quality products at competitive prices. SCON Design is one such dealer in Gurgaon that specializes in survey instruments and accessories. Finding reputable dealers for surveying equipment and accessories in Gurgaon might be difficult. However, the city is home to a number of respectable dealers who provide a broad selection of surveying tools and accessories to meet the demands of experts in the area. These dealers work hard to give their customers the greatest items possible because they recognize how important it is to have precise and high-quality tools for surveying reasons. One such vendor is SCON Design, which is renowned in Gurgaon for its proficiency in offering survey equipment and accessories. With years of experience, SCON Design has built a solid reputation for providing high-quality products and first-rate customer service. They offer a wide range of surveying tools, including DGPSsystems, total stations, levels, tripods, and other equipment. SCON Design can meet all of your demands, whether you are a seasoned professional or a novice in the world of surveying. There are more vendors in Gurgaon besides SCON Design who are experts in survey instrument accessories. A variety of accessories that are necessary for any surveying project are available from these dealers. These suppliers have everything you require to successfully complete your surveying activities, from surveying rods and prisms to data collectors and software. They make sure that their items satisfy the highest standards of quality since they recognize